how to set voice recorder audio file as a notification sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on My File app. After click on My File app, you scroll down. You will see click on Internal Storage. After click on Internal Storage, scroll down and click on Screen as and click on Recording. After click on recording, you will select camera and voice recording. Click on voice recording and you will see your voice recording is showing here. And click on this three dot icon and click on select. After click on select, click on the second option copy and click on copy here. After copy, go back and search notification folder. After click on notification folder and paste recording. After paste recording, go back to home screen and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, click on notification vibration. If you want to set voice recording audio file as a notification sound, so you will see recording is here. If you want to set notification, so after setting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set voice recorder audio file as a notification sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.